Hi, my name is Steve Jones. I'd like to talk to you about gold IRA investments. In 2013, gold prices are set to rise significantly. The reason for this is central banks around the world have printed over $6 trillion in the last 5 years to pay their debts. This is extra money, not backed by any real assets. It's being created completely out of thin air. This is currency debasement on a massive scale. So there's a growing loss of faith in the global financial system and the dollar because of this. Investments are now trending heavily towards the purchase of real assets like gold. Over the last 10 years, gold has increased in value by 500%. That would give you a return of $500 for every $100 investment. This may seem like a large increase, but believe me, it's just the beginning of a much bigger trend. So gold prices are set for a huge increase, which will start in the second half of 2013. Let's look at the 1970s. Gold increased in value by 2,329%. That's over $2,000 returned for every $100 invested. And today's economies are in much more trouble and debt than we were in the 1970s. So major investors are looking down the road and they are moving huge amounts of money into the safety of gold. At the same time, governments are still printing trillions of dollars of money to continue paying their debts, but at the same time they're quietly piling money into gold. Last year alone, China bought nearly 500 tons of gold. India, Russia, Japan and Europe are following this trend in 2013. In the next 2 years, there's a real chance that the demand for gold could outstrip the supply. So here are some powerful quotes from a few major investors. John Paulson, worth over $12 billion. Gold can easily pass $2,400 per ounce, reaching up to $4,000 an ounce. Jim Rogers, worth $300 million. Gold will be the great investment of the next decade. So gold is expected to reach $2,500 by the end of 2013. That's an over 50% return in your investment in this year alone. Over the next 5 years, gold could reach $5,000 an ounce. Much more of the supply does run short. The next round of money printing is about to happen, so all the triggers are in place for this increase to start very soon. So, if you don't have gold in your investment portfolio or your 401k, you could be losing out on a great investment. But you can transfer your 401k or your investment portfolio into a gold IRA very easily. The company I used to do it was Regal Assets. They are an A+ rated company by the BBB, the Better Business Bureau, and one of the most trusted precious metal dealers in all of America. This is what the experts say. Alan Thicke, Laura Ingram, Dennis Miller, Lars Larson, Jerry Doyle. Jerry Doyle says, do yourself a favour, do it today, call Regal Assets. These guys have dealt with Regal, they know what they're talking about. So before you start, I suggest you get hold of the free information pack. This is an absolute must read before you make any decisions about buying gold. Just tell them where to send it and it'll be delivered to you within 7 days, absolutely free, no obligation. Just go to the website listed here or click on the link below, fill in the details, the pack will be sent out to you, no questions asked. This pack is full of great, valuable information about buying gold. It usually costs nearly $100. They're giving it away free at the moment. Take advantage, have a go. So, gold is set to rise starting this year. Now is the time to invest. Get your free gold kit, find out more about the information, and good luck. I hope you do well.